Hi guys, Carl here from Hendo Music Productions, and this is Hendo Reviews. And in this video is going to be a little bit different. I thought I would video me doing my pedal board, because the pedal board setup I'm using now is, when I'm using it in band practice, for some reason it just keeps cutting out halfway through a set and that. And because I have my new orange dual Tele, as you've seen, I'll be using the distortion off that, so I won't really need my DS2 distortion pedal in that. So in this video I thought I would just show you what I'm going to do to my pedal board and everything. So I bought some new velcros for it to do the pedals. I bought 2 lots of new Dasiy chains that I got. I have this pedal, this Boss CE5 chorus pedal that I've not used. I bought this ages ago and I just never got around to putting it on my pedal board. So yeah, and then I'm going to add the orange FS1 Footswitch to the pedal board as my distortion, so I'll hook that up. So I don't know if to use the FS1 or the FS1 Mini as the pedal, as you'll see. But my last pedal board there, my Gator one, I ended up changing that to a smaller pedal board because the size of it, and then I was adding pedals that I don't even use. So I ended up getting this, the PedalTrain pedal board that comes with a case. I think this is the PedalBoard Mini, I think. After, don't call me, I'll check when I'm doing this video. But yeah, so here's my pedal board set up now. Let's fix it. Right, here it is now. So I have my TU2 Tuner, my Boss DS2 distortion, and then the DD3 Delay, and then I have this with my FS1 Footswitch. So what I'm going to be doing is going to be taking this out, probably take this out, because I only really use this for ideas and everything. And one of our old songs, I did like a thing, so I'd record and then it'd play over the song, but I haven't really been using it, so I might keep that on and keep that separate. But yeah, I'm going to change up the pedal board. So in this video you're going to see me change it. Oh, it's actually the PedalTrain Mini, so I don't have to correct myself there. So yeah, on this video I'm going to take it apart and put it all back together. Also, I forgot to say, the power supply I use on this, I used to, on my Gator one, I used to have a Gator power supply that'd go underneath, and then with this, I've seen they did a PedalTrain Volto. So basically this is really good. This is, you charge it and then you don't have to have it plugged in basically, so it holds charge. But this is, I got this second hand ages ago, and you have to really give it a good charge, or yeah, your pedal's cut out. So if you give it like an overnight charge, it'll last about 2 days and that, so, which is handy for gigs when there's no extension plug or anything. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to stripping the pedal board and starting again and see where we go from there. Let's do it. Right, here it is. Let's start taking it apart and doing it again. So first off, I'll take the Volto off, which is there. So I don't know if it is the patch leads that are doing the cutting out and that. So right, let's unhook all these. I'm going to put new Velcro on them, because as you see it keeps coming off. I was a bit stingy with the Velcro last time because I didn't have much of it. Right. pedalboard all done. And that. So first off, we'll have to check the daisy chain things in a sec. I need to get some scissors, so I'm just going to stop this video and get some scissors so I can cut the velcro and that, and then sort the daisy chain. So I'm guessing that's done. Then I have my spare switch if I need to use that for any ideas. But yeah, that is my pedalboard done. So guys, that's my video of the pedalboard, all done. As I said, when I get my Ibanez tube screamer, when I get, as I said, when I get my Ibanez tube screamer, I might do a part 2 because I still need to fix the wires at the bottom here, make sure they're not everywhere. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like any more of my videos, please give it a little subscribe for more, and I should do more. But yeah, I'm Carl, and this is Hendo Reviews, and this is my pedal video. Yeah, there'll be, as I said, there'll be a part 2 when I get my pedal, the other pedal and that. But I'm going to try this tonight and practice, and I'll do a little video, see what it's like, and yeah, if I need to change anything, I'll do part 2. So yeah, I'm Carl, that's Hendo Reviews. Thank you. Distortion.
Thank you.